Welcome back to Tip Tuesday for Oddville. Today, my name is Mike. What we're going to be talking about today is care for your e-bike battery in winter conditions. As you can tell, it's not exactly warm in the warehouse here, so this is going to help kind of supplement the amount of cold weather that your e-bike may or may not see. When you're outside riding your e-bike, it is important to note that temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius are going to affect the overall consistency that your battery is going to perform. So if you can, avoid those type scenarios, but we live in the real world and sometimes it gets cold fast out there. So we certainly understand that, but you're not necessarily doing any damage to the battery or to the bike for operating it under those temperatures. And really the only other thing to remember is that when you're not riding your bike, if you can remove the battery from the bike and store that inside at room temperature, whatever that room temperature may be, you'll likely have a way better experience with your battery, and it will certainly increase that longevity. We've had a lot of questions over the past couple of months about how to care for e-bike batteries, especially when the temperature gets low. So this video is for you guys. If you got any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We are available 7 days a week. Let us know if you got any other questions, and we'll see you next week.